Hello guys and welcome to Now Reason. My name is Duncan Kazungu, and in today's tutorial I would like to show you how to quickly shut down your computer. Maybe your computer does not shut down very quickly because maybe you have opened so many tabs and you cannot hover on to Windows, then you go for power, then shut down. So I hope this shortcut will help you. You press Windows button and then you press X, then you press U. In fact, this pop-up will show up, but do not worry about it, let it be that way. Then after this shows up, you press U twice. If I press, it will shut down, so you press U twice, then it will shut down. Again, it is Windows key plus X key, then plus U twice. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Let me know the problems that you're facing so that I can address them in that comment box. Otherwise, thank you for viewing our clips, and remember to subscribe, to share, and to like our work. Thank you.